Well, good morning. This is Monday, and we are looking at the beginning of a fjord that's going to lead back to what's called the Dawes Glacier. This is one of the few glaciers in the world that is still getting larger. See the chunks of ice floating in the water. Well, here she is with her morning coffee. We're actually outside, but under a covered area because it is raining right now. So, fun fact, all around the ship there's this white track that you can see there. This is what they use to clean the outside of all of the windows in the ship that are 15 stories tall. It's kind of cool watching them yesterday. I am representing today the Hoosiers and Matt, unlike you, that always gets coffee. Oh yeah, not chocolate. Oh, and it's good. So we are now headed down through the fjord, and that's where we're headed. Up ahead to see the glacier. I'm on the top deck. It's kind of raining. This is an outdoor area that's not being used right now since it's raining, but a big kind of movie watching area. They usually have plants growing in through here. Of course, over here you can see it's called the Magic Carpet Bar, which hangs out over the edge of the ship, 16 stories up. Be nice if they had a glass bottom to it, but they do not. This is the walking running track on the top of the ship. 4.5 laps is a mile. Reminds me a little bit of Matt Courtney's trip to Norway with streams flowing down the sides into the water. Big stream goes way up there. I don't know if you can tell, but the ice has a blue color to it, which they told us the glacier would as well. Our first look at the Dawes Glacier, just there ahead of us. Some 30 miles long. It took over 1,000 years to form. All right, welcome to Juneau, Alaska. A lot of cruise ships in here today. Big mountain. Juneau is the capital city of Alaska, and the most amazing part is this capital city has no roads that go into it. It is accessible only by water or by air. All right, we're on the bus. Actually, sitting on the way back of the bus. On our way to the Mendenhall Glacier, whale watching and wildlife quest. Let's go. Here we are at the Mendenhall Glacier, 1.5 miles wide, 13 miles long, and the water melting from the glacier is coming down right there.
Let's go!
All right, the boss says let's go. We are taking a walking trail to Nugget Falls. It's to look closely at the falls that are created by the glacier melting. So here we are at Nugget Falls. Man, I can feel the mist in my face. Alright, I'm standing right underneath the fall. Man, that is coming down. Alright, we're at another viewing point. The last one at the Mendenhall Glacier. There's the waterfalls we were just at over there. Beautiful. Out to look for whales, seals, and other things. All around. While we are looking for the whales, off in the distance there is Dawes Glacier. There's a lot of whales so far. It's just difficult to catch them when they're out of the water. That's the whales are right in front of us. See them come up and blow a hole.
Oh, there comes the
Hey, all right, we got it.
Wow, there's two. Oh my gosh.
Most likely these guys are gonna cross our bow.
They're looking at it.
Oh my gosh. Here we go.
Okay, we're headed back to the ship. After a really fun day, we saw bear, we saw American eagles, we saw killer orca whales, and humpback whales all today. Ready to be back to the ship?